Locked out of buying your dream Xbox game with Apple Pay? Don't worry, we're breaking down the fixes right now. First, let's address the most common culprit: an outdated Xbox system. Head to your Xbox settings, then System, then Updates. If there is an update available, install it. A fresh system can often resolve payment glitches. Next, make sure your Apple Pay is good to go. Open your wallet app on your iPhone or iPad. Check that your default card is up to date and verified. Expire or unverified cards are a big no-no. Now, let's confirm your Apple Pay is actually linked to your Microsoft account on a computer or phone. Go to Account Microsoft on and sign in, then navigate to Payment and Billing, then Payment Options. See if Apple Pay is listed. If not, add it. If all else fails, try clearing your Xbox's cache. Power down your console completely, not just standby mode. Unplug it from the power outlet for a full minute, then plug it back in and power it on. This often clears out temporary files that cause payment problems. And that's it. One of these fixes should get you back in the game, buying and playing your favorite Xbox titles with Apple Pay. If you're still having trouble, contact Xbox support or Apple support for further assistance. Happy gaming!